Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the vacancies notified by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India for the post of Joint Advisor in the TRAI headquarter situated at New Delhi. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has notified for the post of Joint Advisor in Telecom Regulatory Authority of India headquarter situated at New Delhi for the initially period of 3 years. The name of the post is Joint Advisor and the pay level scale of is pay level 13, that is rupees 1,23,100 to 2,15,900 in the pay matrix as per 7 CPC plus other allowances such as DA, HRA etc. as per government rule, and the pre-revised pay scale was in PV4, that is 37,400 to 67,000 in 8,700 grade pay. The eligibility criteria is officer of the central government or central public sector undertaking or statutory and autonomous bodies holding an equivalent post on the regular basis, or officer in the junior administrative grade with 5 years of regular service in that grade, or Group A officers having 12 years of regular service in Group A, of which at least 5 years of regular service should be in junior administrative grade. And the essential requirements are a master or bachelor degree in business administration or economics or commerce or engineering or law or science or humanities from a recognized university or institution, or membership of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or Institute of Cost and Work Accountants of India. All the ministries, departments, central public sector undertakings and statutory and autonomous bodies of the Government of India are requested to forward application in the prescribed performa, which can be downloaded from www.trai.gov.in along with the attested copies of the ACR APRs for the last 5 years, along with the vigilance, disciplinary clearance and cadre clearance of eligible candidate whose services could be placed at the disposal of the authority immediately in the event of their selection. The application should be sent in an envelope subscribing the post to the Senior Research Officer ANP, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Mahanagar Dur Sanchar Bhavan, JL Nehru Marg, Old Minto Road, next to Zakir Hussain College, New Delhi 11002, on or before 23rd of July 2021. So these are this is a vacancy with for the post of Joint Advisor in Telecom Regulatory Authority of India in headquarters situated at New Delhi. Whosoever is eligible and is interested can apply for the same. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.